Let's break it down. A year ago, the FBI raided the apartment of a 26-year-old college dropout running a crypto prediction market out of New York. Today, that same guy is one of the youngest billionaires on earth. I'm Imran, a Middle East-based analyst who follows US politics, markets, and global affairs. And this story is about Shayne Coplan, Polymarket, and how one giant deal with Wall Street turned a controversial crypto startup into a $9 billion rocket. First, what is Polymarket? Polymarket is a prediction market built on blockchain. Instead of just watching the news, people actually bet money on it. Who will win an election, what the inflation rate will be, whether a new product will launch on time, even weird cultural stuff like movie box office or viral moments. Each question becomes a market where yes and no shares trade like tiny stocks. The price of those shares, say 70 cents for yes, roughly reflects the crowd's belief that the event has a 70% chance of happening. Supporters say this is like a super poll, the wisdom of the crowd with skin in the game. Critics say it's basically legalized gambling wrapped in tech branding. Second, who is Shayne Coplan? Coplan dropped out of college and launched Polymarket in 2020 from his New York apartment. The company grew fast, but not smoothly. In 2024, the FBI raided his apartment and regulators hit Polymarket with penalties for running what looked like unregistered betting markets. For many founders, that would have been the end of the story. For Coplan, it became just one chapter. He paid fines, restructured how Polymarket operates for US users, and kept building. The platform gained a hardcore user base, especially among people who thought prediction markets were better than traditional polls, and among crypto traders who love volatility. Third, the deal that changed everything. Here's where the billionaire moment happens. In 2025, the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange, Intercontinental Exchange, also known as ICE, decided it didn't just want to watch prediction markets from the sidelines. It wanted in. After months of conversations, ICE agreed to invest around $2 billion into Polymarket for up to a 20-25% stake, valuing the company at about $9 billion. That instantly turned Coplan's roughly 11% stake into about $1 billion on paper. At the same time, a whole lineup of big names joined the cap table. Figma's Dylan Field, Zynga's Mark Pincus, Uber's Travis Kalanick, hedge fund veteran Glenn Dubin, earlier backers like Vitalik Buterin, Joe Gebbia, and Founders Fund. In one stroke, Polymarket went from that weird crypto betting site that regulators raided to Wall Street-backed data platform with billionaire investors. ICE also agreed to become the global distributor of Polymarket's event-driven data, treating the market's pricing as valuable information to sell to traders, funds, and institutions. Fourth, what does this actually mean? From my perspective, three things stand out. Number one, data is the real gold. Yes, people bet on the site. But the most valuable thing is the stream of prices that show what thousands of people think will happen. Wall Street loves any edge it can get in predicting elections, policy moves, or economic numbers. Number two, regulation doesn't always kill you. Sometimes it cleans you up for bigger money. After the raid and penalties, Polymarket didn't disappear. It adjusted, got more serious, and eventually became respectable enough for the New York Stock Exchange's parent company to write a multi-billion-dollar check. Number three, crypto's casino reputation is quietly merging with mainstream finance. If prediction markets become fully accepted, imagine a world where traders, journalists, and politicians constantly check Polymarket odds before every big decision, just like they check polls and stock prices today. So let's break it down one last time. Shayne Coplan's story is not just kid becomes billionaire. It's FBI raid, regulatory trouble, relentless building, and finally a $2 billion bet from one of the most powerful players in traditional finance. Whether you see Polymarket as a brilliant information tool or just very fancy betting, one thing is clear. Wall Street is no longer pretending this world doesn't exist. If you trade, invest, or just follow politics, I have a question for you. Would you trust a prediction market more than a poll? This is Imran Breaks It Down, and we'll keep breaking it down together.